When you get a Culligan water softener, you'll enjoy convenient professional installation from a trained Culligan technician. When your technician arrives, they'll have all the necessary tools and equipment. They'll also take steps to ensure your home is kept clean. At your initial consultation, your local water specialist will have helped you determine where your system should go. Typically, this is in a garage, utility room, basement, or outdoors. Installation usually takes 2 to 4 hours, but timing can vary depending on the equipment being installed, the age of your plumbing, and other factors. The amount of space required depends on the softener's size. You'll likely need about 9 square feet, though it could be less. It's also necessary to have access to your water pipes, a drain, and an electrical outlet. On installation day, make sure the space you selected is cleared and clean. Other than that, there's nothing you need to do to prepare. If you have an old water softener, we'll remove it first and can often dispose of it for you. Your new softener will typically have 2 tanks. The brine tank holds the salt. The main tank is filled with the resin beads that remove hardness from your water. The salt from the brine tank keeps the resin beads clean and effective. Here's how installation works. First, the water in your house will be turned off. Then your technician will connect the softener to your plumbing so that all the water coming into your home flows through the softener first. To do this, your technician may need to add additional piping to route the water supply as needed. This can involve cutting your home's water lines, which is just one reason why it's a good idea to have your softener installed by a trained professional. Your technician will then connect the softener to a drain line to flush out the hardness minerals and salt collected in the main tank during the softening process. Next, the brine tank will be filled with salt. Typically, your dealer will provide the salt required for the first fill at no additional cost. Your technician will then program the system to supply the right amount of soft water needed based on your water's hardness, your family's size, and your water usage. If you've purchased one of Culligan's smart water softeners, your technician will guide you through the simple process of connecting your system to the Culligan Connect app. Through the app, you can track your water usage, check your salt supply, get service alerts, and more. You can even use the app to set your system on bypass when you don't need soft water, like for watering your lawn. At this point, your water softener is up and running. Before leaving, your technician will show you how the system works and answer any questions. Your cold water will be soft right away. For hot water, it can take a short time to replace any hard water that's already in your water heater. Then you'll be all set to enjoy the benefits of cleaner, soft water throughout your home.